has or have got. Which one should you use? Let's understand. He has got a red ball. He has got a red ball. I have got a blue ball. I have got a blue ball. You have got a green ball. You have got a green ball. They have got a yellow ball. They have got a yellow ball. She has got a beautiful doll. She has got a beautiful doll. We have got a big house. We have got a big house. It has got 4 wheels. It has got 4 wheels. They have got 2 dogs. They have got 2 dogs. Now let's have some fun. Let's play a game. Let's play a game. I will ask you some questions. You have to answer with has got or have got. He is a doctor. He has got a white coat. Correct? You have got a new car. Correct. They have got a pet turtle. Correct? She has got long, beautiful hair. Very good. Now your turn. Make sentences using has got and have got. Share this video with your friends and family. Have fun.